see you there. So today I'm going to be turning my car into a party machine. Come in, let me show you what I got. Some things I got for my car is a power inverter to connect to the power input. I got a TV. Got LED strips, which I can connect to the power inverter and to the TV. And I will use these straps right there to connect the back of the TV with these bolts and the zip ties. Okay, so now I plugged in the power inverter to my car. I connected all the LED light plugins. Now I'm going to plug in the LED lights and hook them up around my car. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the screws. Here's the screws. We added a washer to keep the zip ties from falling off. I'm gonna just screw them into the back of the TV.
Like that.
Put the other one in. Okay, then I'm gonna take the zip tie and I'm gonna put it around it. Like that. But I'm going to put another zip tie through it and put a bigger circle like that, and then I'm going to tighten this one all the way so it's a latch. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. On the back of the TV I just hooked some zip ties together and I plugged it to that baby lock right there, so now this won't move. So far, we got this side done. We gotta go through this way. Now we have it right here. And I'm gonna have it go all the way up here and do a loop. So this power outlet right here kept on breaking. So we had to unplug one side so that the breaker wouldn't break and just keep it plugged in on the other side. So I'm still adding on lights to the back. It's turned out pretty good. I'm liking how it's looking. Oh. Done with my afternoon nap. Let's get back to the car. Okay, so I'm putting the line through the handlebar right here so that it can be held up by the handlebar. I don't have to tape it as much. Okay, so I plugged in the power outlet to the front of the car. And I have the lights on both sides of the car now, so it looks much better. Then back here, the power outlet cord goes all the way to the inverter, which is right there. And that goes under the mat, through the seat. It goes back to this plug-in right here, which is connected to the lights which go around the car. Now let's go to the final product. And when you get tired from shopping, you can just go outside and watch some TV. Let's go! Let's go!
Take you